I absolutely love these cleaning gloves. They're perfect for cleaning around the house or for dishwashing too. And they measure 13 inches in length, so it's perfect because it covers my forearm as well. And inside has flocking, so it's going to be moisture resistant too, because as you know, some gloves will get you sweaty inside. And these are also very easy to pull on, and they also have a texture too. So that way, when you're washing dishes, it's not going to slip out of your hands, because no one wants that. And look how nice. You get two different colors, and it has a nice design, very comfortable feel. It also comes in different sizes as well. And look how nice this is, and very comfortable. Definitely recommend these, and let me show you what it looks like while I'm cleaning dishes. These are working perfectly, keeping my manicure nice and perfect. And what's nice is the grips do not let the plates slip out of my hands. These are so ideal for a variety of household things, from washing dishes to cleaning the toilet, washing the floor, cleaning windows, and especially when using household detergents that are pretty abrasive. Definitely recommend them. You can even use these while gardening too. Here's a close-up of what they look like. As you can see, it has some texture, so it's not going to slip easily out of your hands. And I really like it. It has a nice design even at the ends too. And because it's 13 inches in length, it's going to keep your forearm protected too. Perfect when you're washing dishes, and it also would be hot water, so it's not going to burn your forearm. Much better than just having it at your wrist. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.